Hello! It's been a long time since I last did a video for this blog and YouTube channel, My Follicular Journey, so please allow me to reintroduce myself. I look very different now from when I used to post content on that. My name is Lance Fuller, and from 2014 to 2017 I had 3 different hair transplant procedures. I had 2 FUT strip procedures done in July 2014 and November 2015, and in January 2017 I had an FUE scar revision procedure. This Monday, on May 9th, 2022, I am heading back to Austin, Texas to have my 4th hair transplant procedure and my second with Dr. Daniel McGrath. It's been a long time since I last did a video here, so I want to show you guys what my hair looks like now. I have not gotten a haircut in about 2 years, so I'm going to take off my teaching headphones and I'll show you what my hair looks like now. If you had to guess, I probably look like the dude from The Big Lebowski now, but since I moved out of Washington, D.C. in June of 2018, I traveled in Australia for about 2 years, and unfortunately from 2020 to 2021, unfortunately a lot of us dealt with a lot of problems related to COVID. And I didn't get a haircut for a long time, and to be honest, I really like having long hair now. So since I left Australia and since I've come home and I've grown my hair out, I've gotten to see what the full results are from my hair transplant surgeries. And I really like having long hair now. And you may be wondering, Lance, your hair looks amazing. You look like Thor. You look like the dude. Why on earth would you ever get another hair transplant? You look fantastic. And thank you. I appreciate that. But to be honest, I'm doing this hair transplant for no other reason other than it's just what I want to do. I am very thankful and happy for the work that I had done with my previous doctor who did my FUT strip surgeries, and I am just so enamored and happy with the work that Dr. McGrath did to revise the scar in the back that I think it's time that I do a little bit of refinement in my frontal hairline. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm hoping to do with my upcoming procedure on Monday. So let's take a look at my frontal hairline, and I'm going to take off my headphones again. So some parts of my frontal hairline I think look fantastic. I think some parts also could stand to be filled in a little. When I put my hair in a ponytail and I kind of really pull the hair back, some parts of this temporal peak look a little thin. Some parts of this temporal peak, this is my right side, also look a little thin. And what we're going to do is that we're going to actually buzz and shave my entire head for this procedure, and I'm actually going to be donating my hair to Locks of Love. You'll get to see all of the work that's been done on my scalp, as well as the FUT scar that was revised in the back. And I believe we're going to try to go for a little more than 1,000 FUE single grafts, all in the front, and then to a little bit back behind the frontal hairline. Just soften that up. This is something I've wanted to do for a little while. I wanted to do this a year ago, but unfortunately I was not able to. And when I arrive in Texas, you're going to get to see my hair transplant patient educator again, Steve Cook, who I did a lot of videos and Q&A with before I left for Australia. So I'm really, really excited. I get to go back to Texas. This will be my first time on an airplane since I left Australia right before the pandemic started in March of 2020. And you may be wondering what this background is behind me as well. And I am now a teacher. I became an English as a second language instructor, and I mostly work with children from countries all over the world, from China, Brazil, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Poland, Czech Republic. I have taught many, many students all over the world, and I was very lucky that despite all of the awful things that happened in 2020, I found my calling as a teacher, and it's something I really love to do. And now I have much better video equipment, and I'm just really excited to share another journey with you all that will involve me going from this mane of hair to being a cue ball to sharing my progress and journey with you all. And I plan on updating my blog. It's been a long time since I updated it. So I will do that, but in the meantime, I will be posting every day of progress following the surgery. Thankfully, I will not have to have stitches removed. And I will do videos and pictures for every month of progress going to 1 year post-op. So I'm super excited to see Steve again. I'm super excited to see Dr. McGrath. You all will get to see a lot of video that we will shoot together. You'll get to see the entire surgery from start to finish. And I'm just blown away over the years of the comments and positive feedback and how helpful my blog and YouTube channel have been to all of you. And in the spirit of helping others, I want to continue this journey and show you that whether you plan to do an FUT, strip procedure, whether you're going to do an FUE refinement touch-up procedure like what I will do, or you're going to do scar revision, I hope that this blog and YouTube channel will get you on the best possible roadmap to where you want to go. So, as always, let's check back soon, and thank you all, and I look forward to sharing my journey with you once again. Thank you, and take care.